And Austin recently came to an agreement with a local organization to try and reduce the number of people dying in an overdose of opioids.
It's been a huge problem here in Austin, and last year the city declared a public health crisis as those numbers rose. Now it will pay Communities for Recovery $250,000.
It's the goal of increasing the amount of peer support in our area. KXAN's Dylan McKim met with the staff at the organization to learn about their work.
We need to be risk takers too.
Sean O'Brien is a peer support specialist. He's one of 27 that works at Communities for Recovery, a recovery community organization. It's his job to get out and connect with active addicts. A lot of people he meets with are part of Austin's homeless population.
But now that they're in that position, they're self-medicating to deal with that position.
O'Brien said they're at high risk of overdose with the rise of fentanyl. It's being slipped into other drugs.
It's called drug poisoning. Somebody goes out and they want to use a stimulant. Well, that stimulant is laced with fentanyl.
According to the city's opioid overdose dashboard, in 2022, there was at least 2,000 overdoses. The city is working to lower that number. It entered into a contract with Communities for Recovery as one way to meet the goal.
It's very important. It is going to be providing much needed peer recovery counseling services for community intervention.
The organization's executive director said the funding will allow them to hire 3 to 4 more peer specialists to expand its reach in the community.
Maybe coming out of the emergency rooms. You know, where can we connect with people that are identified as, hey, they need extra support and they're asking for it.
If you want to go down to Sunrise.
O'Brien said he and his team will be offering support and advice for those struggling with addiction. That could be sharing information on safe drug use or helping with the recovery process. He does warn that this is not an easy issue to fix overnight. It will take time and a lot of hard work.
There's not an end result in any of this. You know, it's about meeting people where they're at now and getting what they need now.
Dylan McKim, KXAN News.
Thank you, Dylan. And this is not the first action council has taken to reduce overdoses. Back in April, it passed an ordinance to get Narcan, that's that life-saving drug, into the hands of organizations and businesses located in the hot spots with people overdosing.